पहले आप क्वेश्चन बताइएगा, उसके बाद फिर आंसर बताना।
So sir, you have asked why do you want to become? So our written is an observer, just an adventurer, to enjoy the passage of time.
I want to freeze time and play with time. I also want my work to show my state of mind, and also it to preserve the memories of different people. Also to give different people.
I want to become a writer. Writer would be a really broad term, and that is yet to be decided. That what kind of a writer I want to be. But whatever it is.
So that you can create something new, something original, something valuable, and anything that you create, whether it's art, it's story, it's an essay, or it's a film, anything creative, anything original, new, unique.
मैंने अपनी पूरी लाइफ इस पर डिवोट कर दी है।
Where humans were put in real locations, but they were made very beautiful. Again, art was peaking during Romanticism after Renaissance.